Hello, everyone, and thank you for visiting Clair Astrology. In today's video, you're going to learn what it means to have your rising sign in Aries. If your rising sign is Aries, the way you dawn on others is like a fire sign. So, this is someone with a lot of fiery energy. Regardless if your sun or moon sign is, say, Pisces or Aquarius, this sign tells us about the way you make first impressions on others. So, Aries, as your rising sign, makes you come off as passionate, energetic, enthusiastic, and direct. You are ambitious and have no trouble going after what you want in life. You view the world as a place to take risks, carve new paths, and test your personal limits. So, if this is your rising sign, you look for challenges and appear competitive to others. For you, life is a game to be won, and you are willing to push yourself hard to succeed. You may be athletic and have a strong vital force. Competitive sports or vigorous physical activities are best for you. On the downside, however, your behavior can be viewed as selfish, impatient, and impulsive. You like to get on with things because to you, life is an adventure not to be wasted. Your bold spirit may benefit you for winning a marathon, but it might not be as well received in a cooperative team environment. Because of your passionate nature, you can be prone to anger, so you need a physical outlet to release pent up tension. You're also a very independent sign and will do well to remember that freedom is one of your personal values. The best advice if you have Aries rising is to use your assertive nature to make a competent first impression and use your courage to do things that others wouldn't. Trust in your instincts, and remember to practice patience and tolerance whenever you're working with others. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the rising sign in Aries. If you have, feel free to leave a thumbs up or comment below, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.